we are, Seal Beach, the waves are keeping up right now. The surf, Pacific Coast, still on Tsunami Advisory. Right now, swells are about 2 to 3 feet. A little bit higher than normal. The waves are coming in. There's no, I'm right here at the foot of the pier, right where, waves are crashing. Got some waves on the south side of the Seal Beach Pier that's a little bit bigger than here in front. Beautiful morning, 4 a.m. We're still on the Sheriff's Tsunami Advisory guidance. So we're going to be monitoring the situation all day today with the Tonga tsunami effect, how it's reaching, or it's actually not reaching so far. Pacific Coast, Pacific Ocean. Anyways, waves are up to about 2 to 3. Going up 4 o'clock in the morning. We are out here covering this. We got you covered. You stay with Demo Reel, change the throttle, follow us all day. Anything breaking, we'll get it right to you. So far, so good. PCH at Main Street, Seal Beach. Historic Seal Beach Pier.